All right, so I want to walk you through how to add a header to a Google Doc. Lots to talk about here, right? So there's tons of different ways that we can format this header. You can see that I currently have red text on the left and a logo on the right. And you can also see that I don't have anything on the top or the first page. So let's start there. To insert your header, what you're going to do is double click in the header section, and I'm going to remove my header so we can start from scratch. Remove header. Okay. All gone. So I can double click here, or I can go to format and go to insert page elements header, and that's going to open the page or the header formatting thing, this little section right here. This is different first page, right? So if I leave this clicked, I can add something or not add something to the first page that's different than the rest of the pages here. And I'll show you an example. We'll double click here and we'll just type in the confidential there. So that confidential is not showing on the top, but if I click different first page, or if I unclick it, it shows up. Sometimes you just don't need a, you don't need a header on the first page. Now let's add our image to the header. And what you're going to be able to do is all these controls up here, you can actually use them in the header, right? So I'm going to grab my text here and I'll make this bold and red like I had before. And maybe I put do not share. Okay. And we'll just make this also red, but not bold. And to get the image in here, I'm going to go into insert image, upload from computer. That is my image. It's way too big. And I'm just going to drop it down. And with the image selected, I'm going to hit these three dots right here and go to all image options. And here we have a lot of different things that we can do. So I can also resize that image, which is the logo here. Text wrapping, mine is inline with text right now. I'm going to break it from the text, okay? I don't want the logo and the text to be controlled through the same thing. So I can move that logo all the way to the side. So with it selected again, I'm just going to move the X increment all the way over. Moving it all the way over. And I'm just going to eye it to a spot that looks good. That looks good to me. And what I'm going to do next is inside of position, we're going to move the Y down. This should be. Oh yeah, that's right. So I have it broke for text. I'm going to move it to wrap text. And you can see that it's super close to being right in the middle, but it's not quite in the middle. And that's where I can come in. Now again, I have to eye this, but I'm going to move the Y. So that's down, it's the wrong way. Move the Y to about where I feel they're even. And that's pretty close. Yeah. So you can see now that I've this custom header. I can go to header format and let's say that I actually want I want there to be a little bit more room. So I'll hit 0.6. I'll hit apply and it should get a little bit bigger. Header format. Oh, I'm sorry, it pushed it down. Header from the bottom, we need to do 0.6 as well. Go. So it just creates a little bit more space here. I wanted to add page numbers, I could also do that as well. And then again, it's just show you, if I turn it on the first page, I can bring what I've created to the first page as well. Turn that back off. And just remember, when you're editing here, all of these controls will apply to this section. So that, my friends, let me just turn this opacity down, is how we're going to add a header and how we're going to style a header inside of Google Docs. So I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you could, just like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.